Welcome sa part 2 ng ating set 3 for UPCAT Mathematics Practice Question. So we are now doing number 6. So number 6, multiply and simplify 2x plus 4 over x minus 5 times 3x minus 15 over x plus 2. So balikan lang natin konti yung concept about fraction. Kasi nga, these are fractions. When we multiply fractions, example, 1/2 times 1/4, ang ginagawa natin, we just multiply numerator, denominator, right? So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8, and that's it. And we can also do 3 over 6 times 1/3. Again, numerator, 3, and then denominator, 18. We simplify, this is 1 over 6. All right, or we can also do it this way, 3 over 6 times 1/3. Before we multiply, we simplify first. Etong dalawa are common, so maka-cancel yan. So you are left with 1 over 6. The same thing. So that concept, we are going to apply that one here. So before we multiply, let's try to factor out. 2x plus 4, common is 2. Sila ba si 2? Ang maiwan sa loob, x plus 2. Tapos sa baba, as is x minus 5 times, this one, common is 3. So we have 3, x minus 5, denominator as is. And we can actually cancel these things. That one, that one, that one, that one. So you are left with 2 times 3, which is 6. Letter D is our answer. Number 7, the same concept. When we multiply or when we divide fractions, example 1/2 divided by 4, what we do is we write 1/2, change this one into multiplication, and get the reciprocal of your divisor, that is 1/4. So the same thing, 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 4, that is actually 8. So meron kang 1/8. So 1/2 divided by 4, that is just 1/8. So the same concept here. So we'll try to factor out -2 first. So we're gonna have -2. We have x minus 2 over x minus 1 times reciprocal of that one is 1 over x minus 2. And this will be cancelled. So you are left with -2 over x minus 1. And that is letter C in our choices. Number 8. A class contains 2 boys for every 2 girls. So this involves a ratio question. So we have boys to girls. The ratio is 2 to 1. 75% of the boys have taken Algebra 2, whereas 50% of the girls have taken Algebra 2. What is the ratio of boys who have taken Algebra 2 to girls who have taken Algebra 2? So remember, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 1. So meaning to say, the boy is just equal to 2 times the girls, right? So if we have that 2g, what is 75% of that one? All right, multiplied by 75% over g times 50% or 0.50. All right. So what will happen? We will get 2 times 0.75, that is 1.5, right? Yeah, that's 150. So 1.5 g over this one is 0.5 g. So this becomes what? Equals 3, right? So the ratio will be 3 to 1. That is letter C in our choices. Number 9. A patient must take his medication every 7 hours, starting at 7 a.m. Sunday. On what day will the patient first receive his medication at 6 p.m.? So start with 7 a.m. and then we're just gonna add 7 hours, no? So, first medication will happen at 7 plus 7. This is 14, right? Or 2 p.m. Anong day ito? The same day, Sunday, of course. Sunday pa rin yan. And then 2 p.m., 2 plus 7, this gives you 9 p.m. Anong day yan? Still Sunday, no? Sunday. Tapos 9 p.m., 9 plus 7, this gives you 16, or this is 4, right? 4 a.m. This is Monday na, di ba? Monday. So you have 4 plus 7, this is 11 a.m. Still on Monday. All right, still on Monday. And then we will have 11 plus 7. This gives you what? 6 p.m. Monday. So, on what day will the patient receive first? Patient first receive his medication at 6 p.m. on a Monday. That's letter A. Number 10. Tommy had a bag containing colored marbles. The colors are red, green, and white. So, meron kang red, tapos green, tapos white. Okay? Yung white is, ano na lang. Right? And yung mga colors of the marbles. There are thrice as many green balls as red marbles, and twice as many white marbles as green. So, asan dito yung hindi nabanggit? Yung hindi nabanggit, si white. Alright? So, si white will be, there are thrice as many green marbles as red. So, yung green daw, thrice as many green marbles as red marbles. So, this is, ang green natin is 3 reds, and twice as many white marbles as green. So, yung ating white will be twice daw sa green. Ang green natin is 3R. So, meron kang times 3R. Ito will be the R. Alright? And then, ang sinasabi dito, if a marble is drawn from the bag, what is the probability of getting a white marble? So, how do we go about this problem? So, try natin. Ilang lahat yung ating marble? Meron tayong R plus 3R. This is 6R, right? So, meron kang R plus 3R plus 6R. This gives you 10R. Tama? So, in totality, yung ating marble is 10R. Lahat-lahat. Tapos, what is the probability of getting a white marble? Ilan ba yung ating white marble? Yung ating white marble is 6R. Ilan lahat yung marble natin? 10R. So, this is 6R divided by 10R. That gives you what? 3 over 5, right? So, 3/5. Meron ba yan? 3/5. That's letter A in our choices. Follow for more.